Rope stitch is simple to do and produces a delicately twisted chain of elegant stitches. Bring your needle up and pull the thread through. Keep the thread to one side and catch a small amount of the fabric directly below your starting point. Loop the thread over and around the needle. Hold the loop secure and pull the thread through gently to create your first stitch. Start the second stitch by taking the needle back up to what is called the waist of the first stitch. Catch the fabric again from this point, coming up a stitch length below your first stitch. Loop the thread over and around the needle again and pull the thread through to finish the second stitch. Repeat these steps to create gently twisting stitches nested in a chain. It can be easier to catch the fabric when it's not mounted in a hoop. I generally use a hoop to prevent stitches puckering, but I've left the linen a bit loose so that the material is not too taut to gather. I use my fingers on the reverse to help give the needle a bit of purchase on the fabric. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.